to create a fantastic logo for your clothing brand? Well, with Placeit that is pretty easy. Go to placeit.net and at the left-hand side, mouse over the category Logos to reveal subcategories and find clothing brands. Click on it to view all the different templates and choose one from the bunch of different styles. Or you can use Placeit's Logo Maker. Write down the name of your brand and select a category. Click on Apply to find a collection of suggestions for your logo with your brand's name on it already. You can also change the color and even the graphic to start. Surf through all the previews of how your new logo could be and select your favorite. Click on one to personalize it even more. Find the different text options on the left-hand side. Use each text box to type in the name, the slogan, or maybe a legend. Click this little check mark next to a text box to get rid of that line. Below, change the font style for each text line, and you can also change the color. But wait a minute! Click on More to select different shades of colors or easily enter your hex code. Edit the color for your background and your graphic at the right side. Click on it to once again have access to the preset colors, or click on More to click and drag the color picker and come up with a different color style for the graphic. Next, try different illustrations for your logo, or click the No Image button to keep just the name. Use the search bar to find even more specific results and change your logo. One last tip. You see this legend here? This means that you can step into the logo and roll over on anything to move it or scale it. Click on the Reset Layout to go back to how it was. Once you're ready, click on the blue download button to get it. And that's it! You can find more cool features like saving this template to your favorites, save the process and come back later to finish your design, scroll down to find more presets with your brand's name on it already, or have a preview of how your logo would look on a t-shirt, a bag, and so much more.